Hello everyone, in this video I will be teaching you about string slicing in Python. So let's start this video. So you all know that what is string? String is basically used to store your words, characters or print it out like this. Name is equal to Pratik. We have stored the name. You can store name, age. In here we will use strings, okay? Or you can print it out your name, age, okay? So we use string basically for letters and words, okay? So what is string slicing? So for example, we want to print the name. So we can print the name, but what we want to slice some part out of it, not the whole name. For example, only P. So this is what string slicing is. Let's write the code and see. Print. How can we slice? Let's see. Print. And because we want to print it on the screen. And what variable we want to print? Name, okay? And then we will go give it bracket, okay? Bracket, and here we have to do is what part we want to slice. So it start from here 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so we want to slice P, which is on 0, so we will do 0 and press enter. So it has slice of the first letter, which is P. Okay, so what we want to slice the third letter, which is A. So 0 1 2, so this is 2. Okay, so we have sliced it. Okay, now what if we want to slice even more part, like from P to A? So how we can do it? PRA. So we can do like this. First is we start from 0 until A. But if we do like this 0, 1, 2, so it will not include A up to A. So it will only give PR. So that means we have till, if we want from P to PRA, we have to do till T. Okay, that will be 0, 1, 2, 3. So T will be not included. Let's do 3. Guess the answer. Let's enter PRA. Okay. Here we have. Now we can also do like this also. It will start from 0. Okay. Or we can also do like this till the end. If we not to put anything here at the both side, it will start from P and go to the all end. Okay. If we don't put anything, it will start from front like this P, and if you don't put anything in the end, it will go till the end. Okay. So this is string slicing, and there is one more thing here. Steps. What we want to slice only, for example, like normally it is slicing PRATIK. What if you want to slice gapping one part like PAI? So we are getting steps like this PAI, gapping one part, okay? And generally it is like PRATIK. So we can do steps like this, add here steps and do like this. First this is start, this is end, and this is steps. So we can do 2. Guess the answer. Let's do it. PAI. It has gap one part, PAI. And generally it was PRATIK. Now let's do gap 3 part. So it would be like this. So guess the answer. PT. So it has gap in 2 parts. P and then T. And then K. K is not there. After K there is nothing. So hopefully you have understand string slicing. This is basically slicing the part of the string. It's called string slicing. If you want to build AI application exactly like this, you are in luck. I will teach you this inside my school community. You should click top link in the description. That will take you to my school community. So first you will get the course where I will teach you how to create a character AI type AI SaaS which you can sell, where you can also accept payment. So we will be solving a real problem, not directly cloning character AI app, but solving a specific real world problem that requires same solution. Here we will be creating a wife AI app that let viewers talk to their dead wife in parallel universes. So when you go to your employer and apply for a job, you can show that you have a creative mind and you can solve real problems, or you can build this app to sell it, or you can use the same idea to create your own solutions for real world problems. By joining the program, you also get my personal assist. I will be there to help you whenever you need. For example, you get stuck to deploying your application, I will be there to help you deploy it. You have an idea for the application you don't know how to build, I will make a tutorial for you. If you have a bug you can't fix, I will help you to fix it. The program is currently $97 a month and $497 a year. I will highly recommend you to go with $497 a year, cause I will be increasing the program rate, cause it will take me a lot of effort, cause I am giving the course, fixing the bug, creating tutorials for your app idea, and available there to help you whenever you need. So see you in the course.